Hello and welcome to Biovet with another video of a 2007 Ron Fellows. This car is number 138 and has less than around 2,000 miles. It's Z06 2LZ. Very special car. Beautiful as you can see. Sitting in the middle of our showroom, shining, ready for the new owner. I'll walk around it so you can see both the front and the side and the back, as well as a glimpse of the interior. Beautiful, gorgeous wheels. White is beautiful with this red interior. It's got black bolsters. Just going to give you a glimpse of it in this video because I don't have good lighting for my interior here. But here it comes. You can find me at biovet.net. My name is Jan at biovet.net. Give me a call, 404-993-5964. That's my cell. And the store number is 770-414-5552. 07 with less than 2,000 miles, 48999. And thank you for looking.